Good afternoon, students. In this class, we will be discussing about what is human resources management. Before we define human resources management, let's discuss what all are the terms which is related to human resources management. Mainly, there are three terms which is related to human resources management. They are human, resources, and management. What is human? Human means it is the skilled workforce in an organization. That means the employees which will work in an organization which they are professionally skillful. Then comes to next term, that is resources. Resources means they are limited in availability or scarce. Okay, we all know that in economics we have studied that the resources which we can available is always scarce. Next term is management. Management means how the organization is going to manage these scarce resources to meet the organizational goals. Every organization have its own goals and objectives. The organization will be functioning in order to meet its own goals. Goals means every organization is functioning for its goals. Every organization goal is to maximize the profit of the organization. So the term management is very familiar to us because we have already studied this term in first semester. The management means how an organization utilizes the limited resources of an organization in order to achieve the goals of an organization. Thus, we can say human resources management means how the organization uses the limited scarce resources. Here means the human resources to achieve its own organizational goals. Human resources management means how the organization manage its human resources. Therefore, human resources management means it is the proper utilization of workforce available in an organization and making use of these human resources for the achievement of organizational goals. The name of HRM is that means the term HRM is called art of managing people at work in an organization. How a organization manage the skill or profession of the employees in an organization. That is, it is the process of putting right people to the right place. That is on the basis of skill of people or their professionalism, their knowledge, based on that the organization will be appointing them on their right job. By doing this, the organizational employees' talents and abilities can be enhanced so that the organization can achieve its own desired goals and objectives. So, what is the main aim of HRM? It is the accomplishment of goals and objective and organization by the way of putting right people on right tasks based on their abilities and knowledge so that the organization can accomplish its own goals. There are several definitions are available in order to explain human resources management. One of them are Edwin Flifo defines human resources management as the process of planning, organizing, directing, controlling. These are the functions of management. But here staffing is missing. But staffing is an important function of human resources management. Why the organization is carry on these functions? Because the planning and organizing, directing and controlling activities are carried on by the organization for the procurement. Procurement means the selection of employees, their development, Then compensation. Compensation means the remuneration given to the employees. And the integration. Integration means the connection or the coordination between the organization and the employees. The maintenance, the organization, how the organization maintaining the human resources in an organization, and the separation of human resources to the end that individual and organizational and social objectives are achieved by functioning of proper human resources management. Not only organizational goals but also the individual, the employees, and social objectives. Social objectives means society goals are achieved by giving proper consideration to the human resources. The employees as well as the societal goals are achieved. So these are the definitions given by the Edwin Flippo in order to explain the human resources management. He says that human resources management as the planning, organizing, directing, controlling of procurement, development, compensation, integration, maintenance, and separation of human resources to the end that individual, organizational, and social objectives are achieved. So we can say that every human resources management definitions are given in order to achieve the goals of the organization by way of directing human resources towards the organizational goals. So in this class we have already discussed about the terms related to human resources management as well as the meaning of human resources management, definitions of human resources management. So I think all the terms I explained are clear for you. See you in the next class. Till then, goodbye.